In this video, you will see how to make PDF file in LibreOffice Writer. To make a PDF file, first you need to click here on the File option. Under the File option, you will see the option of Export As. Under the Export As, there are two ways to create PDF: Export as PDF and Export directly as PDF. If you select the first option, Export as PDF, you will see a lot of options before creating the PDF. For example, you want compression or not, and if you want high resolution, you can select, for example, 1200 dpi and then click on Export. Give the file name here and then click on Save to create a PDF. But if you do not understand all these things, you can simply go to Export As and select the option Export directly as PDF. Give the name to the PDF file and then click on Save. You can see here that the file type will be PDF. The third method is you can click on this PDF icon to export directly as a PDF and then click on Save after you name the file. So these are the various ways to make PDF file in LibreOffice. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about PDF in LibreOffice. See you again in the next one.